Here is the daily meal to lose fat quickly. I will describe the total calorie and macro breakdown as well. Meal number 1. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and avocado. Ingredients: 3 large eggs, calories 210. 1 cup spinach, calories 7. 1/4 avocado, calories 60. 1 teaspoon olive oil, calories 40. Nutritional breakdown: protein, 19 g. Carbs, 5 g. Fat, 25 g. Total calories is 317 in this breakfast meal. Meal number 2. Mid-morning snack, Greek yogurt with berries and almonds. Ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt, 100 g, calories 100. Half a cup mixed berries, calories 35. 10 almonds, calories 70. Nutritional breakdown: protein, 15 g. Carbs, 15 g. Fat, 10 g. Total calories is 205. Meal number 3. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with quinoa. Ingredients: 150 g grilled chicken breast, 165 calories. 1 cup mixed greens, 10 calories. 1/4 cup cooked quinoa, 57 calories. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 120 calories. 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, 14 calories. Nutritional breakdown: protein, 32 g. Carbs, 16 g. Fat, 21 g. Total calories is 366. Meal number 4. Afternoon snack, apple with peanut butter. Ingredients: 1 medium apple, 95 calories. 1 tablespoon natural peanut butter, 90 calories. Nutritional breakdown: protein, 3 g. Carbs, 25 g. Fat, 8 g. Total calories is 185 k. Meal number 5. Dinner, baked salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potato. Ingredients: 150 g baked salmon, 280 calories. 1 cup steamed broccoli, 55 calories. 1/2 medium sweet potato, 60 calories. 1 teaspoon olive oil, 40 calories. Nutritional breakdown: protein, 38 g. Carbs, 22 g. Fat, 23 g. Total calories are 435. Total daily breakdown of the which you consume from this fat loss diet. This balanced meal plan helps create a calorie deficit while keeping your body fueled with lean proteins, healthy fats, and moderate carbohydrates.